How to use Higgsfield Speak AI. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Higgsfield Speak function. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here you can see I'm on the website higgsfield.ai, and here what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and show you how you can use the AI feature to create audios that you can use for your own YouTube channel, seminars, whatever, right? So the sign up process is actually pretty simple. You can go ahead and sign up. I already have an account. You can sign up with using your Google account or any other socials that are available, like Microsoft or whatever is available. And once you've done that, you're good to go. They don't even really tell you to do anything else. They do ask you to go ahead and verify your account, so make sure you go ahead and check your Gmail. They're going to send you a verification code that you can go ahead and paste it, and once you've done that, your account is ready. So here you can see we have a bunch of different features. Here on the top you've got your main options. So in the create section you will see you have image, video, and speak. Speak is the one that we are going to be using. You also have UGC, but that's the new one. I think that's not available for the free version. So we're going to click on the speak function, and here we have two options. So here we just choose a motion, right? We pick an avatar or a photo, and then we get the final video. So here, this was the photo and this was the motion they choose, and now the photo is moving like this guy right here. So that's what we're going to be doing. So here is the motion at the top. Here is the image that we are going to upload. Here is the avatar if we have one, and then here is the audio, which you can type in your script to generate that audio, and then here is the prompt where you can describe the scene in your image. So for example, let's say a man on a TED Talk. A man is on a stage like a TED Talk and speaking to the audience, is telling them about his mission or agency or company and their mission to change the world or whatever. So you can type something like that, and then you can click on the create button and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and click on the change button over here. Right here we're going to have all of our main options. So we've got static, we've got selfie, general, we've got filming. This is like a YouTube video or a review. If you have a YouTube channel and people send you products, you can go ahead and create something like that. Walk and talks, and we've got car grip, angry mode. This is kind of like a TikTok rant or a car talk. If you're going to the gym, like Sam Sulek, you can create a similar video like that, car talk. So let's actually go with car talk, right? And here I'm going to go ahead and upload. I don't really even have an image like that. So what can we do? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to upload an image of Sam, and I don't think we can pick an avatar photo. We'll see. So let it load up. And here in this section, I'll just go ahead and upload a transcription as well, like a little script. Okay, so I'm going to do this, and then over here we're going to change the narrator. Right now it's a middle-aged male called Marston, so we're going to change that. We're going to click on this little pen tool, and I'm also going to, so that you guys can also hear it as well. All right, so now we also have Hosea. This one is, I like this one because it sounded pretty cool. Like this one is Marston.
Okay, so basically what our business does, changing the world.
I really didn't like that, but this is Hosea.
Okay, so basically what our business does, changing the world.
Pretty cool.
Okay, so basically what our business does,
This one
changing the world.
AI sounding, so I'm not going to go with that. We also have Enraged.
Okay, so basically business is about changing the world.
Okay, so basically, business is about changing the world.
Kind of sounds like Donald Trump, not gonna lie. But anyway, we're gonna go with Hosea.
Changing the
Just
world.
like that. But we're gonna click on generate, and then it's gonna go ahead and generate the audio. If you have one audio file, you can upload it over here. It totally depends on you. And once you have everything, got the motion, then you can go ahead and click on generate. Now it is not free. It is going to cost you some money. So, but yeah, you can then click on generate and you are good to go. So that's how you do it. That's how you use Higgsfield Speak AI. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.